Greetings. You now have just 1 week left to register for the Hard Relationship Workshop scheduled for June 3rd at the Renaissance Church of Christ in Atlanta, Georgia. Sponsored by their singles ministry Focus, Fellowship of Christian Adult Singles. This workshop is aimed at any and everyone who is either in a relationship, just got out of a relationship, or who is about to enter into a new relationship. If you are presently in a relationship, I don't need to tell you of the challenges that will come up. Communication issues, financial failings, trust issues, just to name a few. Are you experiencing the lying and the crying, the flirting and the hurting, the sneaking and the cheating, the fighting and the biting? Are you wrestling with whether you should stay or go? If so, I know I'll see you at this workshop. Or maybe you have such a great relationship and you want to help someone with their relationship. You should join us as well. For those of you who just got out of a relationship, there's a reason that you did. The hurt, the abandonment, the rejection, and the devastation are still very fresh in your mind. The feeling of loneliness, the feeling of all of the wasted time and energy, the feeling of wanting to reunite even though you know that the breakup was really the best thing for you. All of the confusion with your emotions, when will it end? I'm pretty certain that you will join us. Those of you who are about to enter into a new relationship, you may be experiencing some doubt and trepidation. If you are coming off of a bad relationship, perhaps you're using this new one to soothe the pain from the previous one. You may have questions as to whether or not this one will put you through the same mess and heartache that the last several ones did. Did you say the last several ones? If so, there's a reason you keep snagging the same kind of mate. You want to know why? Come join us on the 3rd. Maybe you took a break from the relationship game and are ready to jump back into it. Are you ready? Are you sure? Maybe you should join in the dialogue about the current state of affairs. Depending on how long you've been out of the game, some of the rules have changed that you need to be aware of. And men, don't think for a minute that this workshop is not for you. Women are not the only ones who go through relationship issues. They may be the only ones who admit it, but truth be told, we too experience relationship woes. Heck, just trying to figure out just how to approach a woman can be a challenge. I was about to say terrifying, but that isn't very manly, right? Being put in the friend zone, being fronted out, and being ghosted are not something that you are proud of, I know. Do you want to know why these things keep happening to you? Come and hear firsthand why the women say they do this. Oh, and one other thing, guys. We know that men aren't the only ones who are dogs, right? If you are tired of the leash that some women attempt to put on you, you should attend this workshop. If nothing else, guys, come and check out the mindset of the women who attend. You just might gain some valuable strategies. Again, the Hard Relationship Workshop will be held Saturday, June 3rd at the Renaissance Church of Christ in Atlanta, Georgia. You can either join in person or via Zoom video conference. There is a $10 fee for either the in-person or the Zoom video conference call. Scan the QR code at the end of this video to register. You won't be disappointed. See you on the 3rd of June. If you need further information, feel free to email me or call me. My contact information is on your screen. Share this video with all of your friends and family members who are having relationship issues as well. Thanks, and take care.